I gotta tell you a secret real quick. I love burning candles and I love using room spray. I love using when I'm not burning a candle. I just found out that Tyler candle makers, that make the Tyler candles, make room spray. It's like a game changer, y'all. I use this stuff like probably daily, like constantly. Like, thank God it comes in a pack of two because I keep one upstairs, I keep one in my kitchen. I love spraying it on myself. I use this as like a perfume sometimes when I leave the house. I know you probably think I'm crazy. I absolutely love high maintenance. It's like a patchouli vanilla musky kind of scent that just like it's so like inviting. I can't get enough of it. I take this with me when we go on vacations. It's small, compact enough. I throw it in my suitcase because when I get in that hotel room or in that cruise cabin and it smells like, bleach or cleaner or something, I'm like, this diva needs something good to spray. I spray the good stuff. Don't leave home without it.